Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today we are going to be learning how to log into AvaTrade account using the AvaTrade application on your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First things first, download and open up the AvaTrade app on your device, and once you're inside this welcome screen, to log into your existing account, go ahead and enter your registered email address and password. If you've previously signed up for AvaTrade with Google, Facebook, or Apple account, you can choose one of them under the login button. I created an account with email, so I'm going to type in my email address, and on the next field, you'll be prompted to enter your password. If you don't remember the password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. But if you remember it, you can type it down in the text box. Finally, click on Login, and you have successfully logged in to your AvaTrade account. Just make sure you have the correct credentials and you'll be good to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.